What's up, guys? Today we're making another Bob's Burgers recipe, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by taking our ahi tuna steaks and we're just going to remove them all. I like to get them frozen just because when I've been getting them fresh they've been kind of sketchy, and then we're just going to dry them out and then pound them down with a meat mallet just a little bit just to flatten them out. And then we're going to take a skillet over medium-high heat and add our minced ginger and then our carrots, and we're going to stir that around and let that cook by itself for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes we're going to add in our rice vinegar and then our gluten-free tamari, and then our enoki mushrooms, which you can just get at your local Asian market. They all have them, but they're the mushrooms that look like this. And then we're just going to stir that up and let that cook for about 7 minutes or until it's cooked down. Take that out and put it to the side, and then we're going to take our ahi tuna steaks and cook them for 5 minutes on each side. The first time we cook them, like the first side, we're going to do them uncovered, and then we're going to cover them for the second just to make sure they cook all the way through. And then we're just going to take our burger buns, our spinach, our ahi tuna steaks, and then our mushroom mixture, and that's it. All right, bon appetit, y'all. It's definitely weird, but it's good. But it's hella weird.